Hi there, I'm Vincent, Senior Designer at Foleon. In this video, I'll show you how to work more efficiently using our Template Manager. The Template Manager allows you to save and reuse blocks anywhere in your account. This means that you no longer have to recreate blocks over and over again. Now, let me show you how to save a template in 4 easy steps. When working on a block, you'll find the Save as Template button in the Settings panel. When saving, you can give the template a name and add it to a category. You'll find your saved block templates in the Blocks overview. Here, you can easily drag them into any publication. I'll now show you how to create a page using my own custom templates. I've already created a few templates up front and will use them to quickly create a brand new page. There you have it. Using the Template Manager, I was able to create a page in mere seconds. And finally, you can edit your templates or change their category and status in the new Templates overview area of the dashboard. By default, you can save up to 5 templates. The Template Manager add-on allows you to save up to 25 templates. When you save the block as a template, you can update it anytime or delete it to free up space for a new template. This will not affect content in publications where you have used one of your own templates.